Hey everybody, this is Dave Benson with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today I'm going to show you how to create a recovery drive so you can reinstall Windows. It's really a Windows 10 installation drive. So if you're running Windows 10, it's a good idea if your computer's healthy to go make one of these drives. So what you want to do is you want to go to this website right here. I'm going to put this in the description of the video. You want to go to that website and you want to download the Windows 10 installation media tool. You want to go to the store, you want to get a USB 3.0 drive if your computer is USB 3.0 compatible, which it probably is if you're running Windows 10. And you want to get something that's at least 32 gigs so you can handle the space. So after you download the tool right there by left clicking on that button right there, you want to open up the media creator, say yes by left clicking on that. Make sure your keychain drive is currently plugged into a super speed port, and it'll come up like this. And then you just want to go to the prompts, go through the prompts right here. And this will take a couple seconds, and I'm gonna let this go until it starts doing what it's supposed to be doing, and then I'm going to come back when it's finished and explain what it's done. But it's going to take a few seconds here to cruise through this stuff. Okay, so we're going to accept the end user license agreement. It's going to tell us that it's getting a few things ready. And any second now, it will ask us to click next again. Now, what you want to do is you want to make one of these when your computer is nice and healthy. Don't try and do it if you've got malware. Don't try and do it if you've got a busted hard drive. Okay, we're going to click Create Installation Media, USB flash drive, blah, blah, blah. And we're going to click Next. We're going to leave all this stuff there. We're going to leave everything sorted out the way it is by default. And then we're going to click Next. And then we're going to make sure USB flash drive is selected. Once again, your flash drive should be installed. And then we're going to click Next. And we're going to double check. We're going to go down here and type this PC. And we're going to double check. Yep, ESD USB I. And it says I right there. We're going to say Next. And there it goes. So it's going to go through by itself automatically the process of downloading Windows 10 and setting everything up. And I will be back once it is finished to explain, what it's done and what to do after that. Okay, looks like it's almost finished. It's been about 20 minutes or so. Looks like it's at about 98%. And any second now, it will click over to 99 and then 100. There's 99. And there it is. Your flash drive is ready. And then we just say finished. And it's going to clean some stuff up. And there it is right there. And I am going to go test it by using it on one of my laptops. All right, so I took my flash drive with my Windows 10 installation, and I put it in my laptop and formatted the hard drive and reinstalled Windows 10. Windows Update took care of all the driver installations, and now I'm back in business. So had I a malware infection, or had I needed to install a new hard drive, that would have worked, and I would now be in great shape. So definitely make one of these Windows 10 installation drives, and keep it handy because it can really pull you out of a ditch. I hope everybody enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If so, please like and share it. Definitely please subscribe to my channel. And if you need any computer repair assistance and you're in the Memphis, Bartlett, Germantown, Midtown, downtown area, please feel free to give Dave Bensman Home Computer Repair a ring at 901-830-4362. And as always, stay safe.